Hello, today I'm in Dacia Sandero. In this video I'll show you how to use media knob on the right side of your steering wheel. In the beginning, as you can see, we've got a few buttons right here. We've got volume up, volume down, button to answer and deny calls, button that allows us to change radio source, and on the back right here we've got a button that allows us to change radio station. Also, right here under the knob we've got a button to accept current mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.